An unknown company owned by an unknown country is fighting a subpoena many people say was issued by the special counsel. One America's Alex Salvi takes a look at how the Supreme Court is now getting involved.
The Supreme Court takes action on a mysterious lawsuit that's been working its way up the U.S. judicial system. In a filing on Sunday, Chief Justice John Roberts issued a stay on a lower court's ruling against an unidentified company owned by an unidentified country, launching speculation from those in the industry.
What it means to me is it's a bank. What they're trying to get are bank records from a foreign bank that is owned by the foreign country. So that would be a country like Russia, China, maybe Saudi Arabia.
The company in question has been subpoenaed to turn over documents to prosecutors, which many have speculated is the team of special counsel Robert Mueller. The speculation of Mueller's involvement centers around President Trump's appointee to the D.C. Circuit, Judge Greg Katsas, who recused himself from this case. Meanwhile, the company's refusal to comply with the lower court's rulings has led to a contentious behind-the-scenes showdown with prosecutors, leading to appeals and an unprecedented request to the Supreme Court. On December 7th, officials closed the entire floor of a federal courthouse in Washington, highlighting the level of confidentiality regarding the case.
And normally, in any case where you're dealing with a grand jury situation where you have to talk about the facts of the case, the courtroom would be locked down.
However, shortly after the hearing, a black Justice Department SUV was spotted returning back to Mueller's office, bringing with it attorneys Michael Dreeben and Zainab Ahmed. The three-judge panel overseeing the case rejected the company's argument, alleging that compliance with the subpoena would violate the domestic law of its country. The company then appealed the decision on December 18th, but ultimately lost, with prosecutors succeeding in making their case.
I think they'd have to show the judges that, in fact, they have a good reason to ask for this information. They don't have to prove a case beyond a reasonable doubt.
The order from Justice Roberts on Sunday stems from the federal appeals court ruling on December 18th, requiring the company to turn over the requested information. While the temporary relief comes as good news for the company, the Justice Department is given until December 31st to respond, with deference usually given to prosecutors in these types of cases. However, precedent may not be useful in this case, as this would mark the first time ever the Supreme Court reviews a case, oral arguments and all, entirely under seal. Alex Salvi, One America News.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube, and call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.